Hi gorgeous ladies, welcome back to our style journey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you the latest trends of skirt designs. So in this video you will find the midi skirts and long skirt designs ideas that are highly running in fashion these days, the 2024 fashion of the latest skirt designs. So you will explore these most stylish trends, different fabric midi skirts, different styles of skirts. So there are random styles I have just added in this video to give you some glimpses of the trends of fashion highly running these days. So I hope you will love all the dresses that I have just added in this video, the skirt designs, the amazing tops with these skirts. You will find the satin silk skirts, you will find the denim skirts, and these silk skirts are highly running in fashion these days. So I must suggest you guys that for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So if you're loving these beautiful and amazing skirt designs ideas, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are made useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.